Robotics. Transforming tasks. Empowering futures.
Machine which works like human, without human intervention, is a robot. Robotics is a branch of engineering and science that includes electronics engineering, mechanical engineering, computer science, and so on.
Robots are created to automate tasks, assist humans in various activities, explore environments safe for humans, enhance productivity and efficiency in industries. Robots consist of sensors for perception, actuators for movement, control system for decision-making, and effectors for performing tasks. Types of robots. Industrial robots used in manufacturing. Service robots for tasks like cleaning or healthcare. Research robots for exploration and experimentation. Manipulator robots for assembly lines or surgery. Mobile robots such as drones, autonomous vehicles, and rovers. Robots are used in manufacturing, space exploration, defense, entertainment, healthcare, domestic assistance, and agriculture. Challenges includes designing robots with human-like dexterity and perception, safety in human-robot interactions, and addressing ethical concerns. Future trends includes advancements in artificial intelligence, soft robotics, swarm robotics, and human-robot collaboration. Thanks for watching. This video was brought to you by Saras Robotics and Activity Center. Visit us at sarasrobotics.com. Like, share, and subscribe.